Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up shortcut to sound notifications using our volume up and down buttons in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To set up this shortcut we have to go to settings first, then we are looking for accessibility options, and in this we have advanced settings menu. Here it is, volume up and down buttons. Right now we have another shortcut set up, but we don't want it, we want sound notifications. Let's see if it's working. So volume up and down for 3 seconds. And here it is. Our shortcut is set up. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.